What's the answer to this question, class? Which cranial nerve is fused when you look down? Let's see. We're now going to study the cranial nerves, class. This is my vision. So what we're going to do right now is this. Follow the movement. First, 4 movements. Ilong, basa, taas, baba. Okay, class. 1 to go. Ilong, basa, taas, baba. Okay, class. Ilong. Everybody say ilong olfactory. Ilong olfactory. Next one, class. Basa is optic. Everybody say, class, optic. Next one, class. Look up. When you look up, what's that, class? Oculomotor. Kaya gumagalaw. Bakit gumagalaw yan? Kasi gumagalaw ang pupils. Okay, class? Pupils yan, pupils. So, class, ang pupil dilation at pupil constriction, oculomotor din yan. Next one, class. After ng taas, what is the opposite of taas, class? Baba. What is the baba, class? When you look down, trochlear. Diba, class? Ano ang English ng salitang tapon? Throw. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, class, what do you call the cranial nerve for smell? What do you call the cranial nerve when you're reading? What do you call the cranial nerve that's responsible for looking up? And pupil what? Pupil? And when you look down, what's the letter T, class? Next one. Ito naman ang next na gagawin. Class, 4 movements. Bibig, super gilid, bibig, tenga. Bibig, super gilid, bibig, tenga. Bibig, super gilid, bibig, gilid lang. Lagay sa bibig. Okay, pag nilagay sa bibig, class, ito ang gagawin nyo. Nyam, 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 nyam. Mumuya kayo. Muya. Nyam, 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 nyam. Ano ang muya sa English? Chewing. So, class, ano tawag sa cranial nerve for chewing? Everybody say, trigeminal. So, trigeminal. Okay, class? Trigeminal. Trigeminal is for chewing. Trigeminal is for chewing. Class, this is an easy question. How many branches do you have when you're talking about that trigeminal? It has, yes, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, class, everything that you're going to feel in this area, sinampal kayo dito, sinampal dito. Okay, class, binatukan dito. Pag nararamdaman mo yung class, yan ang trigeminal. Ibig sabihin, class, ano ang trigeminal? Ang trigeminal ba ay sensory? Yes or no? Yes, because you're going to feel it. But is trigeminal also motor? Yes. Why is trigeminal motor? It is responsible for chewing. Class, everybody in class, after bibig, super gilid. Go! Bibig, super gilid. What do you call the cranial nerve? At the sides, 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 abducens, 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 abducens. Okay, class. So, abducens, abducens. After super gilid, anong next? Bibig. Everybody in class, tell me, anong tawag dito? What do you call the English word for tikim? Taste. What is the English word for mukha? Does taste and face rhyme? So remember, class, the one responsible for taste is facial nerve. Next one, class, facial expression. What is the one responsible for facial expression? Sinabi ko na, class, responsible for facial expression? Natural facial. Kaya nga tinawag na facial expression, hindi trigeminal expression. So class, it's called facial expression because facial is for taste and facial is for face. Next one. After bibig, bibig, super gilid, bibig, ano ang next, class? Bibig, super gilid, bibig, tenga. Okay, class, what is one? Gumawa nga kayo ganito, 1 to go, gawin nyo to, class. Okay, everybody do this. Now, as we do this, everybody say balance and hearing. Balance and hearing. Everybody say vestibulocochlear. Okay, class, whether you like it or not, this idea is inside your brains already. So, class, tenga, tenga, tenga. Sabihin sa akin, class, ano ang unang letra ng salitang tenga? T. So, class, after tenga, anong T kaya? Ang bahagi ng katawan na ituturo mo. Tenga, tenga, throat. Habang hawak ang throat, ibaba. Ibaba papunta sa puso. Paglagay sa puso, class, itaas ang balikat. 1 to go, tas balikat. Huwag ibababa. Pag binaba ang balikat, ilabas ang dila. Okay, class, yun ang last movement. Pagbaba ng balikat, ilabas ang dila. 1 to go. Okay, so class, very good. So class, throat, everybody throat, throat. Throat is swallowing. From tongue to throat, from glosso to pharynx, what is cranial nerve? Glosso? Pharyngeal. So glossopharyngeal is for swallowing. How do you check the glossopharyngeal? What reflex? Letter G, class. Next one, class. After glossopharyngeal, class, ibaba dito sa puso. Habang hawak ang puso, class, sabihin sa akin, ano nga ang pampavagal ng puso? Very good, class. Ang pampavagal ng puso ay vagus. Pampavagal. Itaas sa balikat. Ano yung class? Letter A. Letter A, letter A. Accessory. Everybody say accessory. Accessory. What about move your shoulder? Letter A. Ano yung class? Okay, sabihin nga sa akin, pag binaba ang shoulder, anong ilalabas? So class, anong nagko-control sa paggalaw ng dila? What is the one responsible for the movement of the tongue? It is hypoglossal. Again class, the one responsible for the movement of the tongue is hypoglossal. From the top, I'm going to do the movement. And as I do the movement class, I will give you instructions. Ilong, basa, taas, baba. Bibig, super gilid, bibig, tenga, chong, puso, balikat, belan. Okay, 12 moments. 1, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Throat, next, next. Very good. Now class, tell me, what do you call the cranial nerve responsible for smell? Responsible for sight? Responsible for looking up? Responsible for looking down? Responsible for chewing? Responsible at the sides? Responsible for taste? Responsible for balance and hearing? Responsible for swallowing? Responsible for slow heart rate? For movement of the shoulder? For movement of the tongue? Wait a minute.